find a place where it's good to put this. So we can turn the laser on. Up here, laser on. And you can see over here now we have, you can see we've got a guide laser over there. You see it? So just want to let's drive it over. Can you just line the laser up? Try and line the laser up with that the point of that screw. Yep, pretty good. Good enough. Okay, so now zooming out, you can see where the crosshairs are, but you can see our job is still out this way. So what we can do is press 0 to laser, and what that'll do is it'll move where the job and the laser are relative. You still need to press this refresh button because this drawing is this software is really bad. The drawing's not up to date, so this will up-to-date everything. So now now that's where everything's going to appear. So one thing we want to check here is that so we just want to drive the CNC, and we want to check to make sure that there's timber underneath all the parts that we're going to make. So we can see that, you see that screw that's in the corner there? That's a little bit too close for comfort. But coming out all the way down here, that's about where that part finishes. So are we gonna run out of timber? Only just. Might do it anyway. Alright, so we'll say we're happy with that.